Hello, Michigal. This is before you is Mjolnir. It's Thor's hammer, and of course, it's not really the Mjolnir because the size is fairly small. It is actually a flash drive, 16 gigabytes, I believe, most likely, because it's like 15.6 gigs of data inside of this. But the most interesting choice is the box. I mean, it says Iron Man on it, but it does say Avengers, so Thor is an Avenger. But it seems like it's an Iron Man themed box, but that's fine. I mean, who cares how Asgard's hammer got here? But as you can see, before you swing this around, keep in mind this is just a simple link, so don't swing this around too much, it might snap and go flying. The hammer itself is actually fairly heavy, it's not actually lightweight. And for the flash drive itself, it's very simple. It's actually pretty cool because it works on my laptop, and just slip it out just like that, and look like it's over here. So this part is the connector part, goes into the USB, that's the centerpiece, and then this part doesn't face anything. So this faces the outside of it. So that's pretty much how this works. Very simple to use. Just push it in, just slide it back in. Now, of course, the outside is little fingerprints, on there, but you can easily wipe that off as well. The pole itself does come out. You can actually twist this out like a screwdriver. Unfortunately, the real hammer doesn't come out like this, so so it's slightly different. So there won't be any issues with that. Very easy to use, very simple to slip it back in, but it is fairly large. But 16 gigs of it is pretty good. But Mjolnir, here it is. Nothing too crazy, fairly heavy, easy to use. So I hope it's helped you. Your questions, shoot me a comment below and ask if you want help. And hey, thanks for watching. So does that make my finger a god because I'm able to lift Mjolnir?